This acoustic machine is a big asset to Whidbey Island Naval Base. With this machine, it'll show me a sound wave where the leak is in the piping. It could be so small you can't hear it with your ears, but this machine will pick it up, and then I can take a picture of it. I can take the information and download it in this. I can scan the barcode to that equipment and add it to this ticket on this picture. I can put my notes in it, and then I forward it to Mark. And then it also shows a paper trail of what we're doing and how we're repairing it for the government. Once I've found it, I've repaired it, then I will shoot it again with this machine. And if it doesn't show me any activity on it, I know that it's 100% done. I like the acoustic imaging because it, in the long run, is preventing a major catastrophe. You know, I got 100,000 gallon silos of air. If that breaks, it could potentially have some major harm to somebody. I'm using it on motors and finding out that there's a vibration problem. Bearings are getting hot. It can show me a lot of different things. And we're using it all over the base. It's saving the government a lot of money. If it wasn't for this machine, there's a lot of the stuff that I've checked, like the gas at the hospital, stuff at the Navy housing and stuff where the gas leaks where we couldn't find them. Even if you put liquid soap on it or bubble soaps, it doesn't detect it 100%, but I can detect it 100% with this machine, and I know exactly right where it's at, and it shows me a picture of where it's at, and then I can flag it, turn it off, or fix it myself. I've also used the acoustic machine to find a massive water leak in a fire system at the Child Development Center. We couldn't find the water where it was coming out of the pipe, and I used that machine at 30 feet up in the air, and I found it. And we repaired both damaged sprinkler pipes. It's a big lifesaver.